Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Offense. I would like to take this time and welcome you all to Trendlines Trader. This is a YouTube channel where we do our daily analysis and sometimes we do live streams. Actually, almost every day. I want to do this during the opening session. We will have the live stream today, so just look out for 3:30 p.m. in South Africa time. You will find us live on YouTube and we will be trading live. Just join us there. So ladies and gentlemen, on this video we are going to do your daily analysis. I'm gonna start with NASDAQ100. I'm on daily time frame. Let's do this thing, bro. So when we look at the price, you can see that our price was bullish last year, very bullish. As we know, all indices are bullish, most are bullish, and now we are experiencing, this year we had to experience bearish trend from the beginning of the year. So you can see that when things are happening, politics, and when news are happening all around the politics, your high inflation, your what else, whenever some parliamentary member resigning, or we end up having this type of structure where the NASDAQ is just dropping or bleeding. So ladies and gentlemen, I want us to look at this. Allow me to use the horizontal line. This is my highest point that we will reach in future, and this area is my lowest point for now, but I'm trading it as my demand area. Let me place yes, demand area. So I want you guys to witness something right here. We had this type of structure where the price was bearish for quite some time in the beginning of the year, and then the price managed to break out of this bearish diagonal resistance, then retested and pushed towards the upside. Then the price found the resistance at the level there. Let me place my rectangle. So when the price found the resistance at this area, okay, let me push it towards that side. Remember, it's our previous support, and the price broke out of the area. This is our breakout area. That's when we traded the breakout. The price pushed towards the downside, came back towards the price and retested. The price didn't manage to break towards the upside, but it respected the area, and we saw it pushing towards the downside, retested again. So this is a very strong level. I'm gonna place it as, this is daily, remember, so it's gonna be my daily supply. I don't like it in red. Okay, let's go with green. The green is better. So this is, it should be red, so that every time when we reach this level, you will know that we are about to sell, or we look for selling opportunities. So at the moment, ladies and gentlemen, we can see that our price reached the area again and pushed towards the downside. But one thing that I want you to be aware of is this level, that whenever the price reaches this level, it respects the level. I hope it will push towards the downside before we witness it pushing towards the upside again. Anything is possible, anything can happen, or it might not even reach the level at all. It might just make that U-turn right here. As you can see, we already have that bullish bullish candlestick. So today it's a new day. Today is the 26th of April. You can see the new candlestick is already forming. We just have to wait and witness if the price will push towards the upside, if the price will respect this area, and that's when we will be saying, you know what, this area is highly respected by our price. So ladies and gentlemen, let's push closer to the price with the lower time frame. Let's go to 4-hourly time frame so that we can be able to have a nice clear where is the price, or maybe predict where is the price going during the opening session. I want you guys to also remember that we have very significant points. This is something that I see. Let me mark it there, this area right here. Okay, I'm gonna make it green. It's a resistance. I think it's our 4-hourly resistance. We can still make it red because it's above our price. Our price, you can see where is our price. Is this red or is this pink? It's red. Okay, so you can see, guys, this level is being respected, highly respected also in 4-hourly time frame. But don't forget, we still have that bearish, what you call that bearish channel. Let me use the trend lines so that we can never forget that, or we can be able to see. I think it's around here. Oopsie, I shouldn't start it there. Maybe just around here. Looks much better now. So ladies and gentlemen, what I want you to witness, yesterday our price was around this level here, diagonal support. When the price reached our diagonal support, we witnessed our price giving us those rejection candlesticks. I hope you guys can be able to see that when the price reached the area, it slowed down. It slowed down the momentum. As you can see that the momentum was slowing down with the small candlesticks, and boom, we had the bullish candlestick. So this bullish candlesticks, the price was struggling, was undecided. As you can see, it was pushing towards the downside, pushed towards the upside, up until it closed the candlestick, and we had a very bullish candlestick towards the closing session of yesterday. And this morning, you can see where the price is at the moment. The price is giving us this signal that it's about to push towards the upside. Let me use the band. If the price respects this level wherever it's at, this could be our retest. The price respects this level, we just gonna witness our price pushing towards the upside. And if it doesn't respect the level, we could see our price pushing towards the downside, where we might reach our daily demand area. I hope this makes sense to you guys. So you can see that we are pushing in different, what am I doing now? The price is still trying to give us, but you can see the red candlestick here. It's showing that it's rejecting, the buyers are rejecting the sellers. The bulls are rejecting the bears, that they are not gonna take the price towards the downside. But this candlestick, it might be the signal of changing direction. It might be the signal of the price changing the direction, but we should never say it could never go towards the downside. The price can still push towards the downside. We are not the market movers, we are just traders. We have to trade the price as we have to trade what the price presenting to us. I hope this makes sense. One thing that I want you to notice here is that the price pushed towards the downside and we saw a reversal, not a reversal, a retracement. Your pullback, the price pushed towards the downside, we saw a pullback, and still the price struggled to reach this area. Let me put on a rectangle somewhere so that we can see that there's a significant area that I want you guys to see. This area is very significant. I believe this area is significant. At some point you will witness, let's use the horizontal line, you will witness that the area here, it was highly respected previously. When we look at our backside, we can see that the area was respected a couple of times. So what will happen? We just have to wait and see if the price reached the area or it doesn't reach the area. It might push towards the downside, but one thing I want you to know is that this level, it might be respected. Look at previous, what was happening there. The area was our previous support, and at some point it turned out to be respected. As you can see, it is now our resistance, 4-hourly resistance. So I'm gonna remove this line after showing you and place it from here. So these are some of the markings I always make so that I can be able to have a good idea where could the price might go. Look at this, there's a wink here that I want you guys to see. I'm gonna place this horizontal line to the wink there, and if you push towards the left side, you can see that the level has been respected a couple of times. It might be respected, or it might be our very important significant key point. If the price make a U-turn, there's a U-turn that you see there. If the price doesn't come close towards the area, we can witness this. We can witness our price reacting like this. I hope this makes sense. We just have to look out for this type of rejection, or the price can just come towards this level before we witness it pushing towards the upside. One thing I want you to be aware of is that this level here, it's very important because the price reached the price found support on diagonal support area. I hope it does make sense to you guys. Look out for that. Okay, let's not waste any time. I will like to do another instrument. Let's check our US30. Wow, almost the same as NASDAQ100, almost the same. So in daily time frame, let's look at our price on daily time frame. Let me reset there. Ladies and gentlemen, notice that our price has been pushing towards the downside previously. This is our, let me use this is our previous bearish trend. This is our previous bearish trend. Let me use the line chart. You know, when the candlesticks are not giving me what I want, I'm running to the line chart. If I don't get what I want with the candlesticks, run to the line chart for the risk. This was bearish at some point, but I can tell you the price managed to break out of this. I don't like to cut the bodies like this, but one thing I can tell you, this was, if I don't cut the body like that, this is what we could have, this is what we could end up with. Okay, let me not go there. This was our trend. This was our bearish trend. The price broke and retested. As you can see, it broke back inside. Is that a fake break? Fake breakout. Okay. On daily time frame, let me remove this because it's no longer valid. You can see the price. Man, why do I lock it? You can see the price broke out of it. Let me zoom in and be able to see something. Can you see the double bottom there? I mean the double top there. The price gave us double top and pushed towards the downside. It broke out of this M neckline, broke out of the neckline where it was showing us its M, and now we saw a retrace, retest. We could see our price push towards the downside. I hope that makes sense to you guys. Let's go to 4 hourly time frame and be able to witness where is the price going during the open session, be able to predict where could it go. So let me remove this, no longer valid. It looks like it's valid, but I want you to see this. One thing that I want you guys to notice again, when we think of our chart patterns, ladies and gentlemen, look at this in line chart. Let's look at this from the line chart. I want you guys to witness something. There's a chart pattern that is called expanding triangle. I hope it makes sense. This is what the price presented to us. Previously, the price presented this type of chart pattern. This is the US30. We are on 4 hourly time frame. Can you see the expanding triangle? My mouse is going all over the place. Can you see this? One thing that I would like you to expect is that if the price doesn't go towards the downside, doesn't go towards the diagonal support zone, since it already retested, we could end up see our US30 pushing like this towards the resistance, the overall resistance that we have been having for quite some time. English. So ladies and gentlemen, you can see that we could have this type of structure, this type of structure where the price can push towards the upside with the bearish trend there, and it's gonna be a very steep, because this is a dip. The price took a drop, and then now we have to see the correction. Just look out for this type of movements where the price could just give us this type of structure because of this dip here. I hope this makes sense, ladies and gentlemen. You can see that we had a consolidation here. The area, the price was consolidating around this area, and then we can see the price broke now it's retesting. It might push towards the downside, and if it doesn't, clearly it says the price will respect what it presented to us and push towards the upside with this correctively move. If it does respect the expanding triangle that we are having here. Okay, I hope you guys are having a nice idea of what the US30 is gonna. I see a flag pattern like around the area there. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to click the bell button so that you can be notified every time I upload the video or I go live. So ladies and gentlemen, this is Trendlines Trader. I will really appreciate your support. Please don't forget to like. There's a thumb button down below there. Please do like the video so that it can reach other people, other YouTubers who wants to have this type of information that you are having. Ladies and gentlemen, I thank you very much. Please have a lovely day. Have a lovely trading day. God bless.